Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the run capacitor on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. All you need is a 1/4-inch nut driver and a pair of needle-nose pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, the first thing that we'll need to do is to pull the refrigerator out and disconnect the power. Simply pull the plug from the receptacle. Now with the back panel removed, we have access to the run capacitor. It's mounted to the condenser fan motor bracket with a single 1/4-inch hex head screw. Now we'll remove the 2 wires to the capacitor. A pair of needle-nose pliers, simply grasp the connector, slide them off. Just tuck those out of the way. Next we'll remove that single 1/4-inch hex head screw that's in behind that capacitor. If you don't have a 1/4-inch hex head, it does also have a Phillips head on it. Simply remove that screw. And then pull the capacitor out. Now to install the new one, we'll line that screw up through the hole on the capacitor and attach it to the condenser motor bracket. Then we'll reattach the wires. Make sure they fit snug. Now that we have the capacitor secured, we're ready to put the back panel on. We can slide the refrigerator into place and plug it in, and our repair is complete. Told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.